That's my intro. Oh god, I forgot. Hola chicos y chicas, bienvenidos y bienvenidas a mi canal. Soy Spencer, Español Spencer, sí, con ñ, ¿no? Con ñ, Español Spencer, sí, claro que sí, ¿vale? Hola, bonjour, السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مش حالكم إن شاء الله كل شيء بخير الحمد لله يا ربي. Yeah, today is Wednesday and it's currently 5 p.m. and I have with me my second cup of coffee. Shh, I gotta inject that caffeine, I gotta inject that caffeine.
One eternity later.
Are you someone who wants to learn Spanish or just wanting to learn other cultures or languages? Or you're just here to enjoy your time watching vlogs, especially in this quarantine, or we are in quarantine or in pandemic COVID-19. Just go away please. So yeah, in today's video or in today's vlog, I am going to tell you some tips and tricks to learn Spanish easily. Well, that's a lie. Learning Spanish is not easy. Alright, just talk, okay? I really don't know what to say right now. I really don't know. Videos for today coming up. Intro. That one. Is it recording? Eyeglass. Is it recording? Yep. Is it recording really? I don't know. Oh yeah, it's recording. Wait. Hola guys, so in today's vlog I'm going to give you or tell you 4 things. Number 1 is why Spanish. Number 2, some tips. Number 3, some examples and phrases. And number 4, and the last one, is la introducción or self-introduction using Spanish. So number 1, yes, I have my notes here. So you guys as well, you might need a pen, yep, and a piece of paper. Wait, oh. So guys, I'm just going to read this one. Point 1. According to Instituto Cervantes, they claim that there are estimated of 477 million Spanish speakers around the globe with native competence and 572 million Spanish speakers as a first or second language. Wow. Ooh, what else? And including speakers with limited competency. Also, more than 21 million Spanish speakers or Spanish students take Spanish as their foreign language subjects at their uni. Yep, uni life, college life. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I have to do that, to emphasize something. Okay, Spanish is one of the official language of United Nations along with Arabic, Russian, English, Japanese. Okay, and the last point is Spanish was also the official language of Philippines. Also, Spanish is the official language of Europe, Latin America, and obviously Spain. Whew, that was tiring. Tip number 1. Guys, sometimes when we are in a restaurant and then the waiter is just like waiting at us, and before we just leave, we ask for the check or the bill. That's the tip. Oh god, that was a bad joke. Seriously guys, tip number 1 is for us to start doing something, okay? For example, you want to learn how to drive but you're not letting yourself behind that steering wheel, or you don't like to just try it. Just start doing something, right? Please comment down below if you do agree with me. Please just comment down below if you do agree with me. Number 2, yep, motivation. We just have to have some motivation and inspiration into doing something, because without motivation, I'm pretty quite sure you're not going there. Just kidding. Just do something, okay? Number 3, we have to think sometimes. Sometimes you have to think logically. Okay, logically, I mean, I'm not a logical person, but yeah, for sure. So for me, for the last 3 months, I immersed myself into, watching YouTube vlogs in Spanish, reading some articles in Spanish, and yeah. Point number 3 is Point number 3, guys. Learning Spanish or learning a language is not a sprint; it's a marathon. Actually, you're planning to. All right, let us put it this way. You want to learn a language, for example, English or Spanish. Let's just say Spanish because this is Español Spencer, right? Start doing something. Last point, guys, for these tips is to learn Spanish in context. That's true, guys. You don't have to memorize all the vocabs, 1,000 vocabs, 1,000 most common phrases, 1,000 most common yada 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 yada, etc. I'm so tired. Alright, guys, so that's true. You don't have to memorize, the 1,000 most common words, 1,000 most common phrases, 1,000 most 5,000 vocabs. Just learn Spanish in context. And in the upcoming videos or for our future vlogs or videos here in my channel, Español Spencer, we will do our best to teach you or to share you more about Spanish in context. Like I said in yesterday's vlog, I do have some Latino and Latina friends, and I'll do my best to contact them if they want to share their insights or tips, or who knows. So that's it for me, guys. I'm gonna have to end the vlog here. It's already 11:30 p.m. and I need to go to sleep because I feel so sleepy, and I need to wake up early in the morning because I do have some quizzes. Yep, 10 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, if you've reached this so far, thank you so much. Thank you all so much. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. Please do so. Like this video, thumbs up this video, share this to your friends, and please do comment if you liked it. If not, just comment I didn't like it, make some more fun vlogs like that. I will accept that, okay? La introducción. ¿Estáis listos? ¿Estáis listas? Pues adelante. Hola chicos, ¿cómo estáis? Espero que estáis muy bien. Me llamo Spencer y tengo 23 años y sí, soy estudiante. Estoy estudiando finanzas en la Universidad de Centro Escolar. Me gusta la fotografía y a veces me gusta ver pelís, ¿no? Como por ejemplo los documentales sobre crimenes de historia real. Y sí, estoy aquí en un pueblo pequeño, pero es muy maravilloso. ¿Por qué? Porque ahora mismo está lloviendo, está ventísimo, pero a veces hace muy calor, hace muy frío, ¿no? Gracias. Eso es todo para mí. Gracias, bendiciones y un saludo. Chao.